Just completed Mr. Wilkins 2023 C8 Corvette, equipped with our American Racing headers, stock catalytic converters, and our LMR stainless Cat-back exhaust with, as y'all see, the powder coated black tips. Makes the car look really good. Have you heard it yet? See it's heat in it. I'm gonna let it idle down, then I'll open the hatch so you can see it. So it's hard to see much, but you definitely see the long tube headers, right? Factory cats still there, right? And then from there's the Cat-back.
Okay.
Do you like the black? The tips
I like
look good.
it. Yes, I do.
To me, it looks awesome with the black and gray.
Oh yeah,
like it matches really good.
I think so.
And yeah, so the headers. So we put this on to cover all the fuel lines on both sides.
Oh, so
y'all,
it's kind of a protective heat shield?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
We do here as well as here, just with the long tube header. It's just extra.
Right.
But yeah, you see how big those things are, huh?
Oh my God, yeah.
So I think it picked up
American Racing, huh?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So it's real stainless steel header. They're expensive, but like I said, you buy them once, it'll outlive the life of the vehicle. Like I said, C7, C6 guys, they can buy. There's cheaper stuff out there. Okay. Yes, it'll make the noise, but you don't want to have exhaust leaks or exhaust rattle or something like that.
Right.
These are, like I said, I've been installing them for 20 years. Never had an issue.
Great.
And same with our Cat-back. You have a full stainless Cat-back exhaust system. So, like I said. So I set it up. Again,
Did you set?
I changed that.
Good.
I don't know if you like it or not.
No, I do. And I was going to ask you, is there a way you can set different ones, and as you change this, that changes with it? Because I set up one and it stays that way. So
I like it in sport. Track has the attack. Here, watch. You've seen it like this, right? So I do it that when I'm racing, so I can see. I changed all these four for you, so now you can see trans temp, oil pressure, and then G meter.
Gotcha.
So if it's me, weekend toy, you're just driving around neighborhoods and not driving too far car shows, I hit the Z button and I set yours up how I like it. Your steering is in the middle, so it's not too stiff. Suspension is also in the middle, so it's not super soft, but it's not in track where it's really hard.
Okay.
And your engine, let me go back to it so you can see it. Engine and shift, that's gonna keep the transmission in the lower gear for a lot longer. Okay. So I like that when I'm cruising around, not going far distances. If you know you're gonna go on the highway and go from here to San Antonio, right? Yeah. That's when, if it was me, I would just drive it like, take this off, and that's how I have it. Okay. For a long distance. Gotcha. Now what that'll do is allow it to go into 4-cylinder mode. Okay. And for this setup, the way it has the valves in it, when it goes into 4-cylinder mode, to me, you can hear it. Now, before you couldn't hear it. Okay. All right. Yeah. So that's why when I'm driving around, I keep it like this. Now, like I said, it will keep it in a lower gear. So like I said, if you're on the highway trying to go 80 for a long distance, then just take it off and let it go in, because this thing will hold 7th gear for a long time. Like it won't even go into 8th. So you're going 100 miles an hour. Okay. But I also like it because it keeps it in 8-cylinder mode all the time. And I love the way you feel when the transmission shift and downshift with the exhaust. It sounds so good. Thanks for watching this video, guys. If you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button. Give it a like if you liked it so far. And please turn on bell notifications for future content, as we have cool stuff in the pipeline that you're going to want to see. And as always, please comment below.
Usually I'm doing twin turbos or built motor, supercharger. Ice tank, fuel system, fuel tech.
Double clutching.
Double clutching.
No granny shifting here. Have a great day. Mr. Dan. What up? Good ARH Headers. Nice.
Baseline when the car came in, 442 rear wheel horsepower, 429 rear wheel torque. Sorry guys, my tack signal was acting up today. It's the second car it's been doing it on. So this looks all jaggy and crappy. It's just the signal, it's not actually doing that, but gives you an idea of the solid gains. 470 rear wheel horsepower, 453 rear wheel horsepower. Solid gains. The last one we did, I want to say it was like 460 rear wheel horsepower. So 470 with those mods is a great gain. And again, I know it's, I say this a lot, everyone wants more horsepower, but when you drive this car stock versus after you put exhaust on it, just the sound quality you get is money well spent, whether it didn't pick up horsepower or not, in my opinion, but we all want more horsepower. So now he's got more horsepower, and to me the car sounds phenomenal. So I'm gonna get it off the dyno, and we're gonna go run it on the street so we can try to get y'all some sounds on the street. I stuttered really good.
30, 60.
Late model Racecraft. Unleash the power within. Experience the thrill of unrivaled performance. Our team of experts takes your ride to the next level. From horsepower gains to custom enhancements, we deliver results. Late model Racecraft. We talking or we racing?